Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're embarking on a global culinary journey. No fancy restaurants, just real home cooking from every continent. We're talking about the food that brings families together, recipes perfected over generations. From North America to Antarctica, we'll uncover the most beloved, authentic home-cooked dishes. Each meal is packed with history, culture, and soul. Food you can't find in a restaurant. So grab your apron and get ready for a world-spanning food adventure. Let's get cooking! First stop, North America, home of the ultimate comfort food, mac and cheese. Forget the boxed stuff. We're making the real deal. Creamy, cheesy, and absolutely comforting. Start with perfectly al dente pasta. No mush allowed. Grate your own cheese, sharp cheddar, Gruyere, maybe a touch of Parmesan. The sauce? Classic bechamel, roux, warm milk, then melt in the cheese. Season with nutmeg, mustard powder, salt, and black pepper. Want to make it your own? Add crispy bacon, caramelized onions, or jalapenos. Combine pasta and sauce, pour into a baking dish, and top with buttery breadcrumbs and more cheese. Bake until golden and bubbling. The result? Creamy inside, crispy on top. Pure nostalgia. This isn't just a side, it's the star of the table. Simple ingredients done right become something extraordinary. That's the magic of home cooking. Respect the process and you'll have mac and cheese that's truly unforgettable. That's how it's done. Beautiful. Next, we're off to Brazil for feijoada, the heart and soul of South American comfort food. This black bean and pork stew is a Saturday tradition, slow-cooked for hours to perfection. It's a dish born from resourcefulness, turning humble cuts of pork and beans into something extraordinary. Today, it's made with a mix of salted, smoked, and fresh pork, plus sausages for depth. Serve it with fluffy rice, garlicky collard greens, farofa, and fresh orange slices. The acidity balances the richness. Feijoada is more than a meal. It's a celebration of resilience and community. Every bite tells a story of history and togetherness. Hearty, rich, and unapologetically Brazilian. It's a dish that brings people together every single time. That's the power of home cooking. Stunning. Now, to Italy for the ultimate family meal, lasagna al forno. Forget frozen trays. This is a layered masterpiece. It starts with two sauces, a slow-cooked ragu alla bolognese and a creamy bestiamella. The ragu simmers for hours, building deep, rich flavor. The bestiamella adds a luscious nutmeg-scented creaminess. Parmigiano Reggiano is essential, nutty, salty, and real. Assembly is key. Ragu, fresh pasta sheets, bestiamella, cheese, repeat. Finish with a thick layer of bestiamella and Parmigiano for a golden, bubbling crust. Bake until the top is deep golden brown and the kitchen smells like heaven. Let it rest before slicing. Patience pays off with perfect layers. Each bite is a celebration of tradition, patience, and love. This is what Sunday lunch dreams are made of. A dish for family, for friends, for making memories. Simple ingredients, layered with care, become something unforgettable. That's the magic of Italian home cooking. When you see those perfect layers, you know you've nailed it. Bellissimo, let's move on. West Africa's pride, jollof rice. This isn't just rice, it's a festival on a plate. Every country claims theirs is best, but the basics are the same. A smoky, spicy tomato pepper base, fried down to a rich paste. Add seasoned stock, spices like curry powder and thyme, then stir in long grain rice. Steam it low and slow until every grain is infused with flavor. The goal? Fluffy, separate grains and maybe a crispy, smoky bottom layer. Serve with fried plantain, coleslaw, and grilled chicken or fish. Jollof is the centerpiece of every celebration, vibrant, spicy, and full of life. It's about community, pride, and the fiery spirit of West Africa. One bite, and you'll understand the hype. Absolutely brilliant. Off to Japan for chicken teriyaki. Simple, elegant, and packed with flavor. The sauce is just soy sauce, sake, mirin, and sugar, balanced to perfection. Use chicken thighs, skin on, pan-fried until golden and crispy. Only then do you add the sauce, letting it bubble and reduce to a glossy glaze. Spoon the glaze over the chicken until it's lacquered and irresistible. Serve sliced over hot rice with a sprinkle of sesame seeds or spring onions. It's a dish that proves less is more. Quality ingredients, perfect technique, quick, satisfying, and utterly delicious. Japanese home cooking at its finest, simple, beautiful, and unforgettable, bloody gorgeous. Down under to Australia for the classic meat pie, a true comfort food icon. Flaky pastry, rich beef filling, and a golden puff pastry lid. The filling is slow-cooked beef in a savory gravy, thick enough to hold together. Cool the filling, then assemble with short crust base and puff pastry top. Bake until golden and bubbling. The only way to eat it? In your hand with a squirt of tomato ketchup. It's humble, hearty, and deeply Australian. Every bite is pure comfort. A dish that's simple, satisfying, and full of tradition. The taste of home for millions. What more could you want? Our final stop, Antarctica. No native cuisine, but research stations create comfort from limited supplies. The hero dish? Research station stew. Frozen meats, canned veggies, and dried staples. Slow-cooked into a hearty, warming meal. It's about making the most of what you have, creating comfort in the harshest conditions. After a day in the cold, a hot stew brings everyone together. Served with fresh-baked bread, it's a taste of home at the end of the earth. The cook is the heart of the station, keeping spirits high. Even in total isolation, a shared meal creates community. That's the power of food. 7 continents, 7 home-cooked classics. Each one a story of family, culture, and love. Now it's your turn. What dish tastes like home to you? Share your recipes and stories in the comments. Let's build a global cookbook together. Thanks for joining this journey. If you loved it, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. There's a world of flavor out there, and we've only just begun. Get cooking and keep sharing the love of home food. See you next time.